yet, but we hungry. And Daniel, who is handling all of our press for the second time that I've been in Canada, was like, no, you're gonna be tired.
You have to see Toronto.
We was like, last time I came, I didn't see Toronto at all. And he was like, this is the only night you're gonna have a chance. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy, the next day's gonna be crazy. And I said I wanted anything besides American food. And he said Jamaican, so we're at Chubby's. Cheers! Daniel says that we have to be tourists and enjoy
I wanted to see the square.
Toronto.
Okay, we're ready to head back now?
Yes, bedtime. What time does hair and makeup come?
6 a.m.
It's bedtime. On brand in my miracle. I literally don't even know the first thing we're doing today. I'm just gonna follow Maha and Daniel. It's go time. Nice to meet you.
I've been wanting to meet you forever.
Listen, I have a tent and we all are tinted. Let's come together and discuss things. On to the next one, I think in 10 minutes. Luckily in the same studio. I didn't, that's the first time I've never prepped before a show, so I feel like I word vomited.
We have other mics and stuff.
Do we follow
I
you?
realize everyone always asks for advice for the next generation, so I need to start thinking of some new advice. Day 2, good morning. I'm half awake right now. It's gonna be another exciting day, even though I don't sound like it is. I'm just trying to preserve my energy because it's gonna be a long day. Whole crew's here. Yes, 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 yes. What? You don't know we were gonna be here? Wait, I thought we weren't seeing this till Friday. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, did you
covering it? I didn't know that.
Oh my god, this is insane. It's Charlotte Tilbury and us. I'm wide awake now, by the way. That display was insane. I can't believe it. Do you realize it's like Charlotte Tilbury and us? Like, what? And now we're at the Sephora office. And the last time I was at the Sephora office, they said no to us. So now we're in the office and we're in the doors. Oh my god, so cool. We're getting a tour of HQ. I'm so excited. I have never been more awake. The energy has completely shifted. OMG! How cool is that? That is awesome.
Yeah, frame it.
This has to go in our office for sure. First of all, thank you all for coming. I have dreamt of this moment literally since I was 16. I may cry. Yeah, this is a really big one for me. This is like so, okay, you said it. Sorry. And so whenever people come into stores, tell them it's lip tinted, not live. It's lip tinted, please. But it's a mantra. Like, we want people to live and embrace who they are.
1, 2, 3.
Let's get started.
We are going to get a proper look. That was the most fulfilling day to talk to the VAs and the corporate Sephora team. I don't feel like I got to soak in the sign at the door on like Canada's version of Fifth Avenue. Like, we're literally, I see Aloe, Louis Vuitton, Van Cleef, jewelry, Hermes is around the corner, and Sephora with lip tinted in the freaking window. Like, that does not happen. Oh my freaking god, this is crazy! Yes!
The whole idea behind Lip Tinted is celebrating your hues, taking pride in your ethnicity, your skin tone, exactly how you are. So the idea of crystal healing with Jessie is that she'll prescribe to you a crystal.
Okay, so what crystal am I giving?
So for right now, you're getting carnelian and clear quartz.
Okay.
The carnelian is to root yourself where you want to be moving forward, but also to spread your branches wider. And the clear quartz is for global visibility.
I mean, you couldn't have said it better. All right, we are in day 3. I got more hours of sleep yesterday than I have the last 48 hours, so that's a good sign. And it's the last day. We're heading straight from the airport. I now just confirmed for doing Entertainment Tonight Canada. We're gonna do store visits. The Sephora team has been so collaborative and amazing. Like, they're like, let's go to a couple different stores and show you the displays. We have some surprises, which I'm really excited for. Daniel and his team killed it last night. It was so warm and so beautiful. They had a surprise cake, the like tarot card reading, and the engraved hue sticks. It was just all perfect, and the room was so warm. Everyone wore marigolds. That like warmed my heart because I like wanted that to be the brand identity so bad, and so or they wore copper, and so I'm just so happy.
Alrighty, Miss Deepica, how are we feeling today?
I'm feeling like a little Barbie-esque. It's the hair. Sephora Canada, no one had to take care of a girl. Like, this treatment? What is happening? I feel famous. We have a sprinter with orange balloon. I need getting in my sprinter. It's real. Come over. Awesome. Yay. How are you? How was your time? Good. We are officially at Eaton Center.
Eaton Center is our biggest store in Canada.
We found it. We found it. It's here.
Oh, it's so much more.
It's here.
Oh my God. So beautiful.
She works here and she's been following you since your
Oh, I wish I were all here. That would be so fun. Telling Sephora the brown girls will come hard for us. It's just cool to see like the different audiences, the different store displays, the different store layouts. It looks so good. You get my final rose / not rose, but marigold sunflower. We don't know what it is, but we've been handing it out to people.
It's very pretty.
And you get the last one. We are at the last stop of the day. What is this one called?
Yorkdale Mall.
Yorkdale Mall. It's very fancy. So cool. Oh my God, somebody is cleaning the windows just in time. There we are.
All right.
Your last stop of the day, Entertainment Tonight. Number. Okay, wow. Oh my goodness, this is so legit. I'm so glad you made it. How are you? Good to see you. Okay, cool.
What time is your flight?
Danielle, it's at 6. All of our flights are at 6.
Okay, you're gonna be.
What's your definition of success?
To me, I think success is building something that hasn't been built before and helping others believe they can too.
I love that.
I don't know how that just came to me, but that is how I feel. I think it's the last 3 days that I've been in Canada, it just has inspired me and reminded me that the last 5 years, but really the lifetime that I've been in beauty, is all worth it. Because like this moment being here, girls are gonna walk down Sephora. We're in the window.
Yeah.
We're in the window.
Crazy.
Guys, we did it. How are we feeling? We did it. We were on the way to the airport and we were all just sitting here reflecting on just how amazing the last few days have been. Like today we were like, wow, what a day. And it's actually like, wow, what a trip. What a trip. What a memorable trip.
You have a Sephora window.
Multiple. And then off to the airport. Like, what a surreal trip. I'm so glad I vlogged this for these memories, like, just for life and forever. Daniel, thank you so much. Huge shout out to Daniel. The dream. Really, like, I mean, I didn't come in and have to, like, think about...
an emotional investor.
It has been such a whirlwind of a ride, but these are the moments you have to soak in, hold, and remember, you know? So, huge thank you to the whole Sephora Canada team, and huge thank you to every person who has supported us, because literally Sephora Canada would not be doing all this for us if you didn't support it. So thank you, thank you, thank you, and just know this is the absolute beginning.